So let's start putting together our dot network for the trails, right? So create a new dot network. Drop this down here and call this trail smoke. Great, dive inside, and same as before, so pyro solver, sparse, give myself some room, smoke object, sparse into the first port there, okay, and then volume source, volume source, volume source, there we go. Into the third, yes. Okay, so let's find that out that we just created. So it'll be in smoke source, tail source. There we go. And as per usual, pretty much just always check that on. We've got three different volumes coming in. Right, so we've got velocity. Okay, we've got flame. Right, and we've also got temperature. Now, we do have obviously density as well, but what I'm going to do is just emit density from the flame. So we'll have flame, it'll be like something on fire that's flying away from the explosion, and that will be like it's on fire, right? And if it's on fire, then it's going to be emitting smoke as well. Let's take a look in here so that we can, I've changed the name by accident. It's just smoke object, right? Something like that by default. So yeah, for the visualization, we don't want to just see the density, we want to see this this flame field as well, right? So we turn on the multi-field and dive into multi-field here, and it's not set up by default, so we need to do that. So yeah, we've got this density on, that's fine, and then the density field we want to write in density, which again will be generated by our flame, so it will be emitting density from that. We won't be sourcing in density. And then in emission here, for the emission scale, we'll just put that to 1 for now. Whoops, not 41, 1. Play around with these again in a moment probably. And then the emission field will be flame, and the color we'll use temperature. Okay, so we should be able to see, also we want to set the first frame to be 53, I believe. Yeah, so which is the beginning of our explosion, right? So frame 53. Let's see if we see anything now. Let's go inside. There we go. Seeing something very light there, but it's doing something at least. But admittedly not a lot. So we also want to take this value and paste it into here, so the voxel size into there. There we go, so that'll be the same 0.1, and also the this volume scatter the particle separation. There we go, something like that. Looks fantastic. And what else do we want to do right now? Not much. Let's let's just see that. Let's drop it down to 0.05, let's say. again, seeing something, not much. Let's make sure that in flames here, we want to turn on emit smoke. And also temperature. So from the flame field, we'll get smoke, and we will get a temperature as well. Okay, here. So let's see if we get any smoke from that. Still probably not a lot. It looks like it's struggling. Let's try going down a bit again, 0.03. Go back. Still not much. Let me see, let's go into the visualization of this. Let's see if we can pull this out. It might be just that the values there are a bit low. Or maybe if we actually go into the source. I'm going to put this to 0.05 for the moment. And yeah, I'm going to go into the source, maybe push the flame up to 5. Give me some higher values there. Let's see. There we go. Now we're seeing something. So obviously we'll need sub-steps there. Okay, so you can see there where, we got the emitter there, it's emitting smoke, and then, emitting smoke because of this, and then it jumps to the next part, it makes more smoke, and so on and so on. So we will need to add some sub-steps to this, no doubt. But, we'll take that as it comes. Maybe just try 2 for the moment. There we go. So you can kind of see where we're going with this. We've got the, the flame at the top, and that's emitting smoke in its wake in the trail and behind it. And obviously we'll go ahead and add some microsolvers to this in a moment to give it some noise, some movement, some turbulence. But yeah.